Hello, I'm Vishnu. Have you ever get bored with PowerPoint? Try Powtoon. It's an online presentation program. It's easy to use and doesn't make your audience bored. Powtoon is like a movie where you have to decide how long the slides play and animate. Well, let's try. You can sign up using your Google or LinkedIn. I choose my own. If you ever tried one, then you can see there are some of the project that you made. Let's try a new project. And you can see some of the themes. Let's try whiteboard. After you click it, you can see the storyboard. It's a story that we have to make. So you can add, and there are some templates that you can choose, or you just leave it blank. If you need more, you can just add slide, and you can choose any templates that you like. Just leave everything blank, and let's start. Yeah, while we wait, just want to remind you that Powtoon requires Flash Player, so make sure that your computer has the latest version of Flash Player. Powtoon is also both free and paid version. So the free and paid version are very different. The paid version, of course, has more features, and these features cannot be accessed in the free version. If you see a padlock on an image, that means that the image is not available for the free version. But if you're using blank, everything will be for the free version. But don't worry, you can always develop a master presentation using free versions. Now let's see the interface of Powtoon. On the left side, you can see this slide sorter, just like in PowerPoint. The right side is the menu. Now let's try to create a background. And you can see you can have a background here, lots of background, or you can add more. You have more background. It depends on what you want to use with your presentation. Let's try to create a character. Okay, this is showing that you have to use your timeline. Timeline is down here. You have to turn it on. Why? Because if you turn on the timeline, then you can put these characters into how long that the character is going to show up, and then what kind of action that it requires. Let's take one. Just drag and drop like that. It's very easy, right? You can make it bigger, shorter. Here you can see the menu. You can make it post, whether it is hello, happy, or even angry. I'm not sure like that, or sad for some reason. So feel free to choose thinking. For example, I want to use thinking. It is big. So you can choose this from the mood. You can swap with other object if you want to. For example, I want to change it to this. Suddenly, change the size. Or you can change the animations 4 times waving, or just play loop, which is never stop. So, or you can show it left side, left side. Good. Enough with the character. Now what about text? I want to put text here. Let's put a title. So I put a title here. You can always drag it. And you can change the font, something like this. And you can choose the color of the font, for example, orange. Size, and the effect. What kind of effect do you want? For example, you want to choose like this. It's easy, right? Now, after you do this, then you have to test your presentations in the timeline. What you have to do is click this. So there's nothing happened. But it showed up there. So it means that this object needs to be carried over there. So there are two, it means there are two objects at the same time. So which one do you want to choose first? This one first, okay? Now let's move it right here. And then the text, click over here, and move it right there. And start again. If you think it is too long for 10 seconds, please reduce it. You can always test again. Simple, isn't it? So use this for all the slides that you want to do. This one is the transition of each slides. You can always change the layout. For example, this, you can change the layouts and put some layouts from here. And you can choose whatever you want. Okay. Good. And after you finish, don't forget to save. I'll go down here. For example, I write down project 1. Save. If you're done, you want to export it or you want to preview it, that's fine too. If you want to export it, you can export it to YouTube, or you can put it to PowerPoint, PDF, or share it for your social media. That's simple. So hope you like it. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you again. Goodbye.